The sixth specialized exhibition of ideal and modern house in Mashhad city. Stick to where you sit on and watch it till the end. Hello and welcome to you all. This is Jason and this is the second exhibition vlog from Mashhad city. This week we are heading to the ideal and modern house exhibition. Couch, new generation of fireplaces, but mostly furniture is all you see in this exhibition. Let's begin with the furniture section. Let me tell you something typical in Iran. The mothers cover the new furniture to prevent it from becoming dirty. But when we invite guests, everything will change. They uncover the furniture for the guests and warn us to be careful. If your mother has still believed in these parables, I say hello to you. I know what you have suffered from. High risk couch. I mean, you sit on this kind of couch, you decide to change your position, and that's impossible to not hear something like, like this. And then you'll be the center of attention, and the best way to prove that is doing the same move again, and then you'll take a damn deep breath. And that's why I call it high risk couch. This one is new to me. It has a speaker with high quality sound beside the couch, and you can control the volume, play the next or previous music. To me, that was interesting. Imagine you hug your wife, the couch will play a romantic music, and the servant bring us a cup of coffee and never mind, man. Till here, if you like this video, you can make us happy by tapping on subscription button at the end. Man, I hate this kind of armchair. When I sit on them, after 10 minutes I won't feel my ass. They are really inconvenient and I prefer to sit on the ground. Never mind. It reminds me the fungus in the Last of Us series. Something decorative wooden, interesting. Well, this is my favorite section, new generation of fireplaces. Just look how eye-catching is that. This is where the heat comes out. I don't know, but I think you can change the temperature of it. Yep, a robot painter. As you see, it will draw whatever you want on the wall. But if I were you, I would crush it, because I'm impatient and I can't tolerate its sound. Just because of a pick? No way. Here's the end of another video from Jason the Adventurer. Watch the first episode of Exhibitions of Mashhad City by tapping on it, and it would be nicer if you subscribe to my channel before. Love you all, see you.